Welcome to the Dental Access platform Xflow. Xflow provides for cost-effective, convenient, and compliant data management in the cloud, meaning you can store case data and order products quickly, easily, and securely. I'll show you around the features and how to get the best out of your data. Once subscribed, you'll receive an email inviting you to sign up to Xflow and enable your account. Accessing Xflow is very simple after that by using your browser. We'd recommend that as the person responsible for setting up the account, you log in and complete any settings necessary. Correct or update name and password. For those with permission, you have the ability to amend or update company details and to invite and manage users. User access can be disabled and enabled using the switch. Manage integrations with external systems like intraoral scanners. Select Automatic Export if you want all incoming cases to be sent to Dental Access Xplan for production. Then you can move on to the platform. As a dentist, you'll see all your patients listed here. You can sort the patient list view and use the search, and manually add patients here. Patient data can be amended using the Edit Patient button. The patient ID can only be amended if the patient was uploaded manually. Clicking on the patient entry will open all the cases for that patient. You'll see the unique patient ID generated by Xflow, and all the cases for the patient listed here. You can click on the case to view it, but we'll come back to this shortly. You can download all patient information and cases if necessary, and with a click, easily copy the link for this patient. Add it to your CRM or PMS for a quick reference. You can manually add new cases for a patient. Cases imported directly from your scanner will be matched using the patient reference number. This is the case list view, which you can sort within the columns, and archive older cases to avoid the need for deletion. When clicking on a specific case entry, whether from a patient page or from a case list, you'll open that case to see all the data and notes, and more files that you need from other sources. View and arrange the thumbnails here. And for particular products and partners, you can order quickly and directly in the case page. Just click the Order button and select your desired product. If ordering aligners, select the relevant STL scans for upper and lower jaw, and click Send. To look more closely at scans and pictures, click on any file row. View gives you a full-screen 3D viewer, and Compare enables a split-screen view of images and scans. Scroll and select the images from the gallery bar. Images appear on the right, and scans appear on the left. Zoom in and out with the mouse wheel. Move the model by pressing the mouse wheel. And rotate the model with the right mouse button. Use the ruler tool to measure dimensions. Left-click once at the start of the ruler line and move the mouse to the desired end, point, and click again. Hide Details removes the measurements and the tool. Small changes will happen over time because we will always be rolling out improvements to Xflow. We update our product guides as significant feature improvements occur. If you need help, there's live assistance at dentalaccess.com or email us at support@dentalaccess.com.